Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. At the time of recording this video, I'm currently at 9,970 subscribers, only 30 subscribers away from reaching that 10,000 mark. And so I wanted to do something a little bit special and a little bit different for today's video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the top comments that I've received on my videos this year from my subscribers, from you guys watching right now. Now, I can't obviously include all of the comments, and I really do appreciate all of the comments, so if you're not featured, don't be disappointed, carry on sharing your tips. But I've selected some of the most helpful comments that I think that you will find a lot of value from to help you in your trading. I've also got something else to share with you guys today, and that is a giveaway. As we're getting to 10,000 subscribers and as we're getting towards the end of the trading year, I thought I'd do something a little bit different and do a competition. So if you want to have a chance at receiving a free download of the trading logs, that includes either the Forex Trade Tracker Review Pack or the Stocks Trade Tracker Review Pack, I will be holding a giveaway for these downloads. Now all you need to do to have a chance at winning is, first of all, like this video. Secondly, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking that subscribe button below the video. And thirdly, comment below with either Forex or Stocks so that I know which pack you want if you win. I'm going to draw the winner next week on Christmas Eve, so I will let you know on YouTube whether or not you have won the Forex or Stocks Trade Tracker Review Pack. So let's go onto the computer and let's have a look at some of the most helpful trading tips from you guys this year. So I'm going to try to whiz through these fairly quickly. Let's get started. Okay guys, so first comment here. I always make a list of mistakes, and once the new week starts, I consciously try to make less mistakes. It's really helped me, and you should try it out too. And I think that is a great idea, a great suggestion to constantly look at where we're making mistakes so that we can try and improve them when we are trading. Okay, Cherry Blossom here says, I suggest you get an alarm clock with a text message facility, and each morning set a message to remind yourself to stick with your strategy. What a great idea. And I guess you can also add extra messages onto there. So if you know there's something in particular you want to focus on, say you want to follow a certain part of your plan, you can include that in the message as well. What a brilliant suggestion to help to prompt you to constantly get better when you're trading. David Paulson, what I have learned is being very selective, be very patient for the right opportunity, and always trade with the trend until you are skilled enough to take mean reversion trades and consolidation patterns. The trend is definitely your friend. Great suggestion, David, thank you. Simon here shares some brilliant tips. I'm just going to pick a couple out. So first of all, limit the markets that you trade, stick to 2 to 3 Forex major pairs, or better still, try trading one pair for 6 months. So this is a really great idea to help to really get used to one pair so you can harness your strategy. Also, he says to be aware of the importance of the weekly open. Statistically, markets tend to make higher highs or higher lows on Mondays and Fridays. Stratex Pips says here, print out a checklist including filters, rules, risk, volatility, etc. for your strategy. When you get to the end of your checklist and everything is good to go, place your trade. Really good idea there to share some prompts to help you to stay focused when you are trading and follow your plan. Another great comment here, and I'll just pick out a few tips for you. So this is helpful if you're struggling to win when you are trading, and that is to really scale down to the smallest lot size, 0.01 lots. Trade every day, and after 20 trades, evaluate how your performance is going. So it's not about how much or how little you can make, it's more about consistency, and that's a great way to help manage emotions when you are trading by using a tiny lot size. Another tip here, stop using technical analysis alone in Forex without the fundamentals. Just a nice reminder there to always keep in touch with the latest news and how headlines can affect the Forex markets. Also, the importance of trading psychology and mindset. Master those and the trades will take care of themselves. You need to get your head out of the process, trade with confidence, and know that you will lose some. With proper risk management, you will be fine. The good news is that it is definitely doable. Are you actually getting returns even if it's minimal? I didn't start meditation until I started getting returns. Meditation is for market uncertainties, not uncertainties concerning your strategy and signals. I think that is a great tip because it's so important to master a trading strategy and plan first. That's then when psychology and meditation can really help you to follow that plan. And another brilliant tip here concerning backtesting, and that is to look for consistent drawdowns during backtesting. In reality, some of them will be slightly larger, smaller, longer, etc. because you can't predict the future. But consistent drawdowns proves that a system is actually recovering, and you can even start trading when the backtesting is actually in drawdown to get some kind of boost. It's a really good idea because when we backtest, we generally only look for the wins and not the consistent losers. So great tip. Brilliant tip here by Steve. When you notice that you feel euphoric after a winning trade, it means that you did not expect to win. This mindset is a lottery player's mind frame. The individual outcome shouldn't matter. You have to mindfully shift your paradigm to that of a casino who has accepted the risk per trade, understand its edge, and have a series of trades perspective. Key zones does not just exist on the charts, but also in your mindset. Super, super tip. Another brilliant tip by Chuck here, just talking about scalping, and Chuck is just saying that you also need to come up with a way to take partial profits at each target level, because if you don't let your winners run, then you'll never make enough to offset the losers. And I think that's really important when you're trading, to try to extend those winners, because then ultimately it's going to help you to be consistently profitable long term. Another great tip here about reflection. So reflecting on the lessons of the previous trading months that you've been trading, write them down and move forward, holding the responsibility of not repeating the same mistakes. Focus and review your strategies and your experience and reflect honestly. And I think reflection and reviewing in this way is really important to help you to grow and develop as a trader. Another great comment here by Emmanuel. Trading against the trend is like rowing upstream. Consolidation areas off limits. Mistakes are opportunities for learning, and it takes courage to resume where you left off. Brilliant tip, and definitely for beginners. Play life smart. I like that. So Play Life Smart is just talking here about FTMO funding and some inspiration, because he's been able to quit his day job to day trade now that he has 2 accounts with FTMO, which is brilliant. He takes his profits, he puts them back into his personal account, and it's just really encouraging to see somebody who is making a funded account work for them, able to make a living from trading. Well done. Another great comment here, saying it is possible to grow a small account up to wherever you want to take it. He has done it himself and others have done it, and all you need is proper risk management, time and patience. And I think they are the crucial things to have with trading that can be overlooked. So thank you for sharing and reminding us of that. And the Campbell family, in regards to where to get out of trading, some people say to take the profit, some people say to set a trailing stop, some say to set your stop loss and trust your analysis. Either way, I think you should do what you feel and mold your trades as you continue to grow. As you become more comfortable, you'll probably walk away and forget about it, which is a brilliant comment, because yes, it's really good to constantly review and learn and grow from your own experiences, but also being able to just walk away and accept that it is what it is. Brilliant comment. So thank you once again for all those excellent comments, sharing your advice, sharing your tips for trading. I really appreciate all the comments you guys share, so thank you so much. And I hope that you've enjoyed this brief video, something a little bit different. If you have, be sure to like that video. If you want to make sure you enroll into the competition for your chance to win one of the Trade Tracker review packs, make sure you subscribe below and comment below with either Forex or stocks so that you will enter into the prize draw, which I will announce the winner of next week. Meanwhile, have a great weekend guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.